Right, so I have a dash camera that I want to hardwire to my cigarette lighter. I already did that. Took the wire where it plugs into this guy and snipped off the plug for it, and then wired it directly to the power and the ground on the back of this one. Then the camera would turn on, and I realized that there was a resistor in the plug for it. So A, hopefully I didn't fry my camera, and B, I need to bust down my power. So I went and got one of these guys, 12 volt to 5 volt converter, and I'm going to be finding a spot somewhere up in here where I can mount this guy, and I'm going to take the wire that I'd already run and splice it, and then just kind of plug it in there, and hopefully my camera will turn on. So let me get this dude mounted and we'll see from there. Alright, so tracing it down, I got that one, and I found it to be this wire, and I have a nice little spot right there where this dude will fit perfectly. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and drill a little tap hole and get one of the screws in there, get this guy mounted. Alright, got it all mounted on there. Couple little screws in the side, way easier said than done. So now I'm going to go ahead and clip my cable, this guy, and run the wires just to their appropriate spots. Alright, so as you can see there, I've got the input power and the output power plugged into their appropriate colors, tied down and screwed on. I believe I'm ready to key on and give it a shot. Alright, if it works, there's a little light that it'll turn on. Really hope that'll work. Oh yeah! Alright, so now I gotta test it out and add a little footage onto the end of this. Hopefully this worked. Fuck yeah, it worked! Alright, so just a little recap. I'm hardwired directly off of the camera. The wire goes here, comes down here, goes down in here. And then I wired it directly to the positive and the negative of the cigarette holder. And then I split the wire and just put it on this little guy like that. And that's that. Works perfect. Hardwired directly in, key on. So whenever I turn the key on, it turns on that outlet, which in turn turns on the camera. So I don't have to have the thing actually plugged in right there. Super easy way. Hope you found it as easy as I did.